Hello everyone, I'm back again with another piece of my peace story. Today's story is again from my travel diary. It is to a unique destination that does not have garbage bins. The story is titled Bin Ban, a land of no garbage bins, and I would like to read this out to you. Do we really have something called waste in this world? I think everything is made with a purpose, be it human or things around us. Are human beings also discarded as waste? Yes, we often do. Those who prefer violence over peace, don't we consider them waste? Have we ever thought how we can transform them into something useful for our society? Who will even waste their time on them? Or rather, who has the courage or time to talk to them and transform them? Just think of it this way. If we had actually negotiated for peace with them and also taught them the significance of peace, then probably we could have eliminated so many minds that are in conflict and also the many conflicts around us. You may ask, who has the time for it? You're right. The time crunch that we created also creates many wastes in our homes. During our early morning rush to the office, no one has the time for waste segregation. Most of the time, it's all a mess in the mess of a bin. Today, I am too tired thinking of the many so called waste around us. I'm just wondering if I can go on a vacation to Bin Ban. Most of you must be thinking that this place doesn't exist in our map. You're right, but it can become a part of our world with just a little effort from each one of us. Or even better, to those companies that think job cuts are important to save expenses, think of creating Bin Ban in your office. Bin Ban that creates employment by addressing such issues like not creating waste at all. Isn't that like a problem statement? It solves two problems at the same time. No job cuts, so more people feel secured. And it also helps in the contribution of creation of a machine that eliminates waste completely. I am too exhausted talking about waste. Now, let me start on my journey to this unique land called Bin Ban. As I travel along, I don't see a single garbage in this land. Now, what I see along the way is clean roads, pure air, clean water, and doors without any locking mechanism. I am happy that I have landed in this place through my thoughts and my travel diary. I want to explore each and every spot in this land to know how this place was created. I meet a local from that place. She is kind enough to explain the history of this place.